Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to resize the text box on your Google Slide mobile. And if you're new to this channel, just subscribe, click the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to resize the text box in Google Slide mobile. So I'm just going to open a new project here, a new presentation, just adding a different type of templates. Now I just need to resize the text box. You just want to select the text box first, then just move this like this. You just want to move the corner. You can see the dots which actually used to customize the boxes. So you can just move this and just click this and just you can just move it and you can create your own space. You can create your resizing the text box easily by dragging and dropping. You can make it like a 3 text box like this. It's easy to move and you can just use the dots to resize the text box like like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.